tasya heturvidya. Not understanding his purpose is ignorance. Not understanding this relationship of Brahma and Maya, that is universe, is ignorance. Pratyaksha parachitta jnanam. Concentrating on the face of other living beings, you will be able to know his mind. This is called piercing look tratak. The practice of intense concentrations on one point, flame, mirror, image, and an aperture develops the piercing eyesight. When established, an eyes makes the face readable and can peep into the mind, since face is the mirror of mind. A vigilance officer or a police officer blessed with a piercing eyesight is a good example. The straight look at such persons develops discomfort, fear, and desire to speak truth. न च तत सालंबनम नंतस्य विषयी भूतत्वात्. But the mind of the others cannot be read because the memory is not stealable or some promosh. You cannot travel in memory or read the memory, only know the and conceive condition of mind. काय रूप संयमात तद्ग्राह्य शक्ति स्तंभे चक्षु प्रकाशा संप्रयोगे अंतर्ध्यानम. When the restraint dharana dhyan samadhi is performed on body, the light absorption intensifies and stops illumination. The yogi appears invisible to others. Some creatures camouflage to keep the identity hidden. The firefly emits light due to its chemical combination with oxygen. Some hide with change of colors. A chameleon changes color by changing the chemical compositions at the skin, whereby absorption of light changes and can give an indication that the visibility depends on the light absorbed by object or light not reflected. If the software of mind can change the skin chemo levels, the light absorbed fully or light not reflected fully can make you invisible. Nature definitely have the system of invisibility. This is psychosomatic. सोपक्रमम निरुपक्रमम च कर्म तत्संयमाद परांत ज्ञानम पृष्ठेभ्यो वा. Two types of actions, one is pre-planned and continued, the other is unexpected and abrupt. When restraint dharana dhyan samadhi is performed on both actions, the yogi understands the time and place of death. The actions that are continuous and actions abruptly performed gives the indication of physical condition such as intensity of senses and capacity to survive unexpected physical stress. The idea of lifespan can be conceived